By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up your own guided workflows and the various ways that they can be triggered. Guided workflows in Sprinklr are business process automation tools designed to streamline tasks by guiding users through a predefined series of steps. These workflows help both agents and customers by providing easy-to-follow scripts or instructions, ensuring consistency and accuracy in interactions. To set up a guided workflow in Sprinklr, start by navigating to Sprinklr Service under where it says Resolve, and in the Agent Augmentation area, select Guided Workflows. And click on Add Guided Workflows. Next, create a name for your workflow. Choose the appropriate visibility settings, such as whether it will be visible in all workspaces or only specific ones. After doing this, you'll enter the Guided Workflow canvas, where you can design your workflow using over 30 available nodes. These nodes can include input components like text or number inputs, as well as display components for presenting data. Stitch these nodes together according to your specific use case. Key nodes you might use include Screen for capturing and displaying outputs, Send SMS for communications, and under Data Management, there are several options for fetching data from internal or external systems. For further information on these nodes, go to sprinklr.com/help. This canvas is used to build both agent-facing and customer-facing guided workflows. After designing the guided workflow in the canvas and integrating the necessary nodes, you'll need to configure each node. This involves setting up the logic for how the data is processed, displayed, or acted upon at each step. Once you're happy with your guided workflow, you can either save as draft or save and deploy. Agent-facing guided workflows can be triggered from the Care console in a number of ways, either using Smart Assist widget or the Agent Nudge widget. It's also possible to embed guided workflows as buttons at the top of this window. Additionally, guided workflows can be triggered using the Guided Workflow widget or manually via the third pane in the Care console. Customer-facing guided workflows can be embedded or iframed into a brand's website, mobile app, or community pages, functioning as web forms or self-service guides. They can also be embedded into customer-facing live chat widgets. In this example, when a customer fills in their phone number and clicks Submit, a case is automatically set up and sent to a care agent. To find out more about guided workflows and how they can help you, click the links below or get in touch with your Sprinklr Success Manager or representative.